Roller coasting. Wow, this carnival is awesome. Oh, hey, Percy. Hey, Thomas. I'm excited for the roller coasters. Up and down, it spins in loop-de-loop-de-loop. Popcorn, peanuts coming through. Hey, Nia. Hey, Kana. Hi, Percy. Hi, Thomas. You just gonna layer upside down like that? I was just telling Percy about the roller coasters. Can't wait to see it. And up and up. And yay! I love roller coasters. Me too. But roller coasters make me happy. Me too. But Percy, I thought you liked roller coasters. I do. It's just far away, and so you're scared of them. Yes, I was trying to be brave, like honest. It's okay, Percy. Everyone's afraid a little, but some of us are afraid a lot. Me, for a start, I'm afraid of the dark and pandas, great white sharks. You're afraid of pandas? They're bears, Nia. Panda bears. Yeah, but they're really more like raccoons. Oh, raccoons are so cute. Okay, so never mind. I like pandas now. Everyone's afraid a little, even if someone says they're not. But me, personally, my fear happens to be roller coasters. They scare me a lot. Coasters are just like pandas. The more you know, the less afraid you'll be. We all scared. It's a feeling that's shared of robots or ghosts or bats or vacuum cleaners. Yeah, we all get scared. It's a feeling that's shared. You can go slow, just watch your courage grow. Face any fear without shedding any tears. And just be clear, we're your friends and we're here. I want to learn more about roller coasters. Okay, to the obstacle course. Alright, there's this steep hill. Very steep. Lori will be, and you could be our passenger. You ready? This field does kind of coasty. Sure. Okay. Up, 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 up. Click, 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 click. You ready, Percy? Go. I can do this. I think I can. Alright, let's... Take it back. This is terrible. See, that wasn't too bad, huh, Percy? That was terrifying. Totally awesome, but terrifying. That's scary. My wheels are shaking. I want to learn more about roller coasters. Okay, the next one is the tunnel. Oh, sure. This isn't too dark and scary, but how about this? Oh, cool. Oh, are we done screaming? Next one. There's the next one. Alright, and yeah, we all get scared. It's a feeling that's shared. And you can go slow. Just watch your courage grow. And face any fear without shedding any tears. Just to be clear, we're your friends and we're here. Alright, this is the twisty turn. Faster, faster. Faster, faster. Faster, faster. Faster, faster. It wasn't too bad. Totally awesome. And my wheels are still shaking. If we're at the docks, why am I on a loop? But there's no loop. It's Cranky who's gonna loop-de-loop you. Okay. And don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna wee. Yeah, it's fun, right? I mean, are you done yet? And that was totally. I think I'm ready to loop-de-loop. Wow. Hey. Ooh. There I go. Whoa. Here comes the loop-de-loop. You guys are right behind me, right? Yeah, we're always behind you. And in front of you. Well, it's too heavy. You're gonna have to do this on your own. Well, we still have twisty tracks. Now I'm gonna do the loop-de-loop. Are you sure you're ready to do this on your own? Yes. Woo! See, it wasn't too bad. Yeah, it was terrifying, but I liked it.